Elizabeth Nawahini Ani, born and raised in California. Elizabeth's native Hawaiian roots firmly established in the Nau'ua Robbins Dua Ani Oana. She, alongside with her three brothers, Monoiki, Kalihua, and Ka'ahi Kauwila, grew up in southeast San Diego, learning many Hawaiian things from their tutor, Rosalani Robbins Butler, their mother, Denise Duwell Meyer, and their mother's siblings, Renee, Dudley, Randy, and Derwin. Elizabeth spent her hula years with Kumuhula Mena Aranio from Hawaii Island. Her teenage years found her dancing under the direction of Kumuhula Jean Kalani from Kaimuki, Oahu. Currently, Elizabeth is under the direction of Auntie Jean Kalani's Mo'opuna Kahino Harrelson of Chula Vista, California. Elizabeth was gifted the education of lei making from cousin and award-winning lei maker Leilani Huggins, an avid hula dancer, lover of singing and playing Hawaiian music, and she gets many awards in all areas. Elizabeth has earned her undergraduate degree in anthropology with a minor in American Indian Studies from Cal State University, San Diego. She's an auto repair shop business owner with her husband of 21 years, Mo Jorbose. The couple met while Elizabeth was an international exporter. Mo was a pharmaceutical network manager. Both Mo and Elizabeth are active members of the Huio Hawaii of San Diego, where Elizabeth is the current chaplain. Couple live in Carmel Mountain Ranch with their two cats and two gorgeous daughters, Ka'ili Hau and Nilufa.